everyone, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Let's make a quick and simple 3 cheese macaroni. So the first thing we're going to do is we add some milk. So let the milk come to a simmer. So what I've done is I have taken some macaroni pasta and I have cooked it till al dente, which means it has a nice bite to it. So the milk has come to a gentle simmer. To this I'm going to add cream cheese, which is going to add body to the sauce, and this is the first cheese. We'll cook this till the cream cheese starts to melt. But ensure that you're stirring it, otherwise it may burn. So this has almost melted. I'll add some fried garlic to add a little flavor and some salt. Mix this well. And as you can see, the mixture has started to thicken because of the cream cheese. Let's quickly grate mozzarella cheese. It's become thicker. And now to this we'll add the second cheese, cheddar cheese. And to this I'm going to add some black pepper powder and some dried mixed herbs. And let's mix this quickly and help the cheese melt. Wow, this is looking good. As you can see, it's melting fast and also the sauce is coming to life. And this is it. Now we just add the pasta, the boiled macaroni and the mozzarella cheese. And now let's just mix this together. Oh wow, this is already starting to become stringy, exactly how you would like it. And we're going to let this cook for like a minute, not more than that, because everything is cooked. So now this is looking good, and this is, you can eat it as it is, but let's make it slightly more special. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some more of the mozzarella cheese on top. And we're going to cover it and let it melt. It will take about like a minute, not even a minute, like a few seconds, and then we'll quickly serve it. So the cheese has melted. I'm just going to switch off the heat and let me show it to you how it's looking. Wow, the cheese is nice and bubbly. Now let's serve it. Nice and stringy. So finally, to add more flavor, I'm just going to garnish it with some fried garlic. This is optional, but it looks good and also tastes better. So there you have it. 3 cheese macaroni is now ready. So do try out this recipe for your friends and family because it's easy and cheesy.